Welcome students, I am J.K. Kumbar as assistant teacher in K.A. Bantiya Madhyamik Vidyalaya, Navi Padve. In previous period, we have seen the formula method. Today we are going to see Maths 1, chapter number 2, quadratic equation, and this is last article, applications of quadratic equation. Application means how to apply quadratic equation by solving the word problem. For that purpose, we learn here practice set 2.6, example number 1. All these word problems are here. Product of Pragati's age 2 years ago and 3 years hence is 84. Find present age of Pragati. Students, if there are word problem, read and write carefully, then convert it into your mother tongue, then convert in symbolic form, and there is one quadratic equation. If there is quadratic equation, you can solve by any one method. Here, product of Pragati's age. You know the meaning of product. Then 2 years ago means before 2 years, and 3 years hence means after 3 years. Consider here present age. Let present age of Pragati be x years. Her age 2 years ago means before 2 years, that is x minus 2 years, and 3 years hence means after 3 years, it will be x plus 3 years. From given condition, what is condition? Product of Pragati's age. Product means x minus 2 in second bracket x plus 3 is equal to 84. Then the multiplication of these two brackets, we can write direct multiplication according to age standard formula. You know the formula. If x plus a and x plus b, the product of these two brackets is x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. With the help of this formula, we can write direct multiplication here. X square plus x minus 6 minus 84 is equal to 0. Here minus 6 and minus 84 is minus 90. That means x square plus x minus 90 is equal to 0. This is simple quadratic equation having coefficient of first term is 1. Here factors of minus 90 is plus 10 and minus 9. 10 minus 9 is plus 1. There is one coefficient, and 10 into minus 9 is minus 90. Then we can write direct factors. Where we can write direct factors? If and if only the coefficient of first term is 1, then we can write here x plus 10 into x minus 9 is equal to 0. Therefore x plus 10 is equal to 0 and x minus 9 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to minus 10. If 10 goes on that side, it becomes minus 10. And minus 9 goes on that side, it becomes plus 9. X is equal to 9. But x is equal to minus 10. Age cannot be negative, and therefore acceptable answer is x is equal to 9 is our acceptable answer. That means present age of Pragati is 9 years. Okay, this is very easy example. Now we are going to see next one, that is second example. You read and write second example in your notebook. And here we will see how to prepare the quadratic equation from second example, which condition is given there. For that purpose, you write first, read and write second example. Read carefully first. The sum of squares of two consecutive even natural numbers is 244. Find the numbers. The sum of squares of two consecutive even natural numbers is 24. Then find the numbers. First we have to assume which are these two consecutive even natural numbers. You know students, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dash dash. In these numbers, which are even numbers? 2, 4, 6, 8 and dash dash. Next one. 1, 3, 5, 7 are odd numbers and 2, 4, 6, 8 are even numbers. Here we have to assume the two consecutive even natural numbers. These are all natural numbers, but 2, 4, 6, 8 are even natural numbers. Let's here, if the first natural number, even natural number is x, then if we see these two numbers, then we conclude that next even natural number is more than 2 by previous number. Next even natural number is more than 2 by previous number. And if we consider the two consecutive natural numbers 2 and 4, and let your first natural even natural number is x, that means next even natural number is x plus 2. That means we assume here x and x plus 2 are two consecutive even natural numbers. Consecutive means x and x plus 2 are the two numbers, and therefore here let two consecutive natural numbers be x and x plus 2. How x and x plus 2? From this. From given condition, what is condition? The sum of squares. These are two numbers, and sum of squares of these two numbers means x square plus sum means plus x plus 2 bracket square is equal to 244. X square as it is plus x plus 2 is bracket square. By expansion formula we can write here x square plus 4x plus 4. You know students, a plus b bracket square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to 244 as it is. Now x square plus x square is 2x square plus 4x as it is plus 4 as it is, and 244 take on this side, it becomes minus 244 is equal to 0. Now 2x square plus 4x plus 4 and minus 244 is minus 240. Divide both side by 2 because all these coefficients are even numbers, and then we get x square plus 2x minus 120, not 12, minus 120 is equal to 0. This is one type of simple quadratic equation having coefficient of first term is 1. The factors of minus 120 is plus 12 and minus 10. Why plus 12 and minus 10? 12 minus 10 is plus 2, and 12 into minus 10 is minus 120. And now we can write direct factors with the help of 12 and minus 10. When only the coefficients of first term is 1, and that's why you can write here x plus 12 and x minus 10 is equal to 0. And now x plus 12 is equal to 0 and x minus 10 is equal to 0. Plus 12 goes on that side, it becomes minus 12, and minus 10 goes on that side, it becomes plus 10. But minus 12 is not a natural number. We have to hear even natural number, but minus 12 is not a natural number, and therefore x is equal to 10 is our acceptable answer. That means first number is x, and here our answer is 10. Next number is x plus 2, means 10 plus 2 is 12, and therefore required natural numbers are x is equal to 10 and x plus 2 is equal to 10 plus 2 is equal to 12 is required answer from given example. Okay, any problem in this example? Very good. The remaining example we will see in next video. Okay, now third example is based on activity type example. Read and write carefully. In the orange garden of Mr. Madhusudan, there are 150 orange trees. The number of trees in each row is 5 more than in each column. Find the number of trees in each row and each column with the help of activity. With the help of activity or this flow chart. This is called as flow chart also and activity also. you have to fill the empty boxes, means this is activity. First one is here, number of trees in a column. Here we know there are 150 orange trees. The number of trees in each row is 5 more than each column. Means let it will be x trees in each column. If the x trees are in each column, then more than 5 in each row. That means more than 5 of this. Means x plus 5 trees are in each row. Then total number of trees. Here see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 trees, 4 columns and 4 rows. How many total trees are there? 4 into 4 means 60 trees are there. Means number of column into number of rows. Here number of column into number of rows. That means total number of trees are x in bracket x plus 5. Then frame the quadratic equation. These are the total number of trees, and total number of trees 150 is already given here. That means x in bracket x plus 5 is equal to 150. Frame the quadratic equation. X into x, that is x square, x into 5, 5x, take 150 this side, it is minus 150 is equal to 0. That means x square plus 5x minus 150 is equal to 0. This is quadratic equation. Now we have to solve this quadratic equation, then we can write the number of trees in each column and each rows. We have to solve first this equation. In activity question, we have to fill only empty boxes. But for filling the empty boxes, we have to solve the quadratic equation. Here third term is minus 150. Factors of minus 150 is plus 59 minus 10. You know, if the coefficient of first term should be 1, then we can write direct factors plus with the help of plus 15 and minus 10. X plus 15 and x minus 10 is equal to 0. X plus 15 is equal to 0 and x minus 10 is equal to 0. Plus 15 goes on that side, it becomes minus 15. X is equal to minus 15 and minus 10 goes on that side, it becomes plus 10. X is equal to 10. But x is the number of trees. Number of trees cannot be negative. That means our acceptable answer is x is equal to 10. Find x. X is equal to 10. Then number of trees in column x. X is 10 and this is x, means this is also 10. Trees in each rows. 10 plus 5, more than 5. 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. And here this is the activities.